Thanks, Dr. Michael Nehls. Before we get started, in your Indoctrinated Brain book, you bring in the work of Aldous Huxley and George Orwell quite a bit, this dystopian literature. And we've been reading that somewhat at IPAK-EDU in a course with Brad Miller. And I was wondering if you could just briefly tell us, did the pandemic crisis uh, prompt you to reread those books, or were you bringing them sort of back from memory of reading them previously?
Both. I mean, I remember the books, otherwise I wouldn't have used them.
Hmm.
But to go into the details, particularly when I wanted to cite them, I had to do this first in German, and then I had to repeat it in English because, of course, you don't want to translate the German version back to English. You want to use the original
Yeah.
language. So I had to read large passages in English as well. And but I was driven by the thought that the ultimate goal is a brave new world, and an indoctrination that is so fundamental that it eliminates all prior experience, essentially creating a situation like we have in Brave New World, where people are born already and being indoctrinated from day one. And I asked the question, how can you generate a brave new world with people who already have their own memories, their own individuality? And my book gives an answer how you can actually return essentially to a very basic brain again, which is essentially only consisting of the narrative and the technocratic narrative. And this is really frightening. So in a way, they have ingeniously generated a technology and in concert with mass propaganda to change our brain and fundamentally. And and the side effect of that is an increased rate of depression and Alzheimer's, as I will show.
Okay, I'm going to read a quick bio for you and then turn it over to you. Dr. Michael Nehls is a physician and molecular geneticist. As a researcher, he has delved deeply into the genetic causes of various hereditary diseases. He has published two of his discoveries in collaboration with Nobel laureates Paul Greengard and Martin Evans. His discovery of a key gene, the WHN or winged helix nude gene, in the development of immunity was honored as a pillar of immunology by the American Association of Immunology. His seminal work on the etiology of Alzheimer's disease, entitled Unified Theory of Alzheimer's Disease, Implications for Prevention and Curative Therapy, was honored in 2015 with the Hans Award for Psychiatry from the University of Rostock, Germany. His writing on science and medicine is noteworthy for his talent in making complex issues accessible to a wide audience, and his work has been translated into many languages. Since 2007, he has been working as a freelance theoretical medical scientist with the aim of using his medical, neuroscientific, and evolutionary biological knowledge to explain the causes of the diseases of modern civilization. Most recently, he has turned his attention to the catastrophe of the COVID-19 debacle. You can learn more about Dr. Nehls at michael-nehls.com. And with that, please welcome Dr. Michael Nehls.